Very good afternoon to all of you. Please join fast. We are about to start with the class. Till now, only 5 participants showing on the screen. I will share the screen with you. Hello. So we are starting. We were simplifying one numerical. We have started with that numerical that day. So you have drawn this thing. See, very less strength today. Others are joining. Should I wait? Okay. It's 3:36 right now. We will start with the class. So you have drawn this diagram. We are continuing with the numerical. We have found out Twiddler factors. Where we have to write these Twiddler factors, we should know very thoroughly. I have told you where you have to write. First Twiddler factor W80 you have to write in the alternate line before starting with the interconnections. Second Twiddler factor is to be written before second stage, as it is acting as an input to the second stage, input to the first stage. So W80, W82, W08, W28. Then all 4 Twiddler factors before the third stage. Why we are having 3 stage FFT over here? Because we are having 8 inputs, and to find the number of stages, 2 to the power r is equal to 8. So r will be 3. So it requires 3 stages to compute DFT of a system. And this is decimation in time, input, bit reversed order, output in order, x0 to x7. Clear? So next what we have to do, we have to find all the values, intermediate values of between first stage, second stage marked by A, B, C, D, second stage, third stage, G and H, and at last we will get the output. Clear? This diagram is clear to all of you? Then these are shown the interconnections. If you have any doubt, you can write in the chat box. I will clarify your doubts. So these are the intermediate calculations shown to you. A0 is equal to x0 plus w. You will see the figure. This A0. What is A0 right now? X0 plus W08 into x4 into x4, and this minus 1 sign will come over here. This coming to this point, and you will get a of 0. Clear? Then a of 1 is x0, getting my point x0 plus x4 plus नहीं आएगा, यहाँ minus sign आएगा because this is the whole signal coming to this point a1. X minus x4 into w0 8. Clear? Is my a1. Similarly, b1 will be x2 plus w80 x6. I will get next equation. So in this way, you have to write all the equations. A0, A1 output of first stage क्या क्या लिखा है देखो, A0, A1, B0, B1, C0, C1, D0 and D1. Clear? These are the output of first stage and will act as input to the second stage. And my second stage outputs are G0 to G3 for upper 4 lines for upper section. For lower section, H0 to H3. The output of first stage, output of second stage. What will be my output of second stage? G0. G0 क्या है? You can look towards the figure and you will find out what is G0. G0 is this point. Here we are getting G0 क्या होगा? Write down in the chat box. What is G0? Yes, student, please write down what is G0 in the chat box. I am waiting for the answer. What is G of 0? You are saying there is no doubt, every concept is clear. So at least you can write down the equation of G of 0 in the chat box. Yes, Pratibha. What is G of 0? Is it audible? It is A0 plus A0 plus A1. A1 is this. That is my G0. A0 plus this value is my B1. B1 into W80 is my G of 0. B0 value. So you are writing wrong. It's not A of 1, it's B0. Clear? So what is the value of G0? It is A of 0 plus B of 0 into W08 is my G0 value. Next, tell me the value of G3. Do it fast. Tell me the value of G3. Then tell me the value of H of 2. Yes, students, write down in the chat box. Yes, value of G3 नहीं पता. It is B1 W8 W2 to the power 8 W2 8. This will become minus, and second signal is coming from this point. That is A of 1. A of 1. Clear? That is G of 3 is equal to A of 1 minus W28 B1. Is it clear? Yes or no? Because no one is writing the next value. Okay, G of 3. Then H of 2. H of 2 is here. H0, H1 and H of 2. The last second line shows you H of 2. Clear? H0. From where to repeat G3 value? G3 value is these lines are A, next two lines are B, next lines are C, last lines are D. Okay, so G of 3 is equals to, it is coming from this point A1 minus, here it is B1 minus B1 into W2 8. Clear? Then H of 2. H of 2 is this line. H of 2 signals are coming from this point. That is my C1. Sorry, C0. C0 plus D0. This is my D0. W80 and minus sign will be there. Clear? So you can write the equations and you have to write. Otherwise, it will become difficult to calculate every value. After practice, you can directly write the value. See, I have written all the values over here after calculation. What is coming at this point? H of 0 is my C of 0. C of 0. This line is coming to H of 0. So it is my D of 0 into W80 and no minus sign will be there. So please write down all the values in your copy. पहले लिखो A0 A1 सारी values लिखो A B C D all 8 values write down in your copy and write down the equation. I will wait. After finishing, write down continue. I will continue with the class. So write down all the equations. And find out every value of the equation also, because you know W80, you know input values, so you can write down all the outputs of first stage, second stage and third stage. This in short written all the equations. You can see from this slide also. Have you written all the equations? Yes, Aditi, Avantika, Jaya, Sakshi. So write down. I will wait. See, from next numerical, we won't be writing all these equations. This you should know because we are simplifying the first numerical of F50. Otherwise, we'll directly do the calculation and we will put all the values in the diagram itself. D1. What is D1? Who can tell the value of D1? Shivani, why you always come late in the class? See, from next time I won't put your attendance. I will mark you absent. Okay, no one knows the value of D of 1. Where is the diagram? Okay, Avantika has written something. D of 1. Where are... This is D1. D1 is the last line, okay? So the value of D1 will be x3 minus W08 into x of 7. Is it clear? x3 minus... ठीक है, perfect. So got all the values now. A B C D की वैल्यूज निकाली. अब G0 की वैल्यूज लिखो सारी और सबकी इक्वेशंस लिख ली तुमने. उसके बाद आंसर लिखा सबका. Have you wrote the values? कि A0 क्या आएगा? आंसर्स बताओ अब मुझे. A0 की वैल्यू बताओ. तुमने इक्वेशन लिख लिया है. नाउ टेल मी द वैल्यू ऑफ A0. फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज. राइट डाउन इन द चैट बॉक्स. निकालते जाओ और लिखते जाओ चैट बॉक्स में. A of 0 क्या आ रहा है? And from next class, be on time. Be ready before 5 minutes. I won't permit after 5 minutes to attend my class. Okay. A0 is coming out to be 2. Very good. Twiddler factor we have calculated earlier. A0, 2. Okay. A1. Very good. Very good. Next. A0, A1, B0, B1. B1 कितना है? Calculate all the values and write. Yes, you got all the values. Avantika. B1 is okay 2J. B1 B0 तो क्या आ रहा है तुम्हारा? -1. B of 0 is 0, students. What you are doing? Why it is -1? Yes, very good, Pratibha. Aditi, some mistakes you are doing. See. Huh. Got the point, Aditi, or not? Okay, see, B of 0 is this value. यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है मेरा -1. X of 2 is -1. This is coming over here. -1 on this line. Clear? This is my B0 point. -1 and second signal is +1. -1 plus 1 will be -1 plus 1 will be 0. Got the point, other students? B of 0 की वैल्यू निकालनी आई क्या? So you will write, why you will write W82? Yeah, that is okay. That you can write. This is the minus J value of W82. W82 तुमने कैलकुलेट किया था, उसकी वैल्यू थी -J. वो मैंने लिख रखी है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? This is -J of W82. So see, while drawing this diagram in the exam, also use different color pencils or pen, so that each value is very clear and you will not get confused. And draw very broad diagram. Leave 3 lines spacing between individual line, so it will become easier to understand all the values, because everything you have to plot in the FFT. No examiner will check your calculations. They will just see your FFT diagram, and if all the values are appropriate and last answers are coming, then you will get full marks. But for your simplification, you have to do all the calculations. जब तक कैलकुलेशन ढंग से नहीं करोगे तब तक तुम इस फिगर पे कोई वैल्यू लिख ही नहीं सकते हो. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वैल्यूज. यस, डू इट फास्ट. नेक्स्ट वैल्यूज आज की क्लास में एटलीस्ट ये तो वैल्यूज निकालो. G0 G1 से H की वैल्यू सारी. अभी तक तो हम कहाँ पहुंचे थे? जस्ट द वैल्यूज ऑफ B, C और D की वैल्यू बाकी, और सारी G0 और H की वैल्यूज निकालो एंड राइट डाउन इन द चैट बॉक्स ऑल द वैल्यूज. C of 0 is 0 and C of 1 is -2. Very good. Next. क्लास अटेंड हुई क्या मैथ्स? नेक्स्ट वैल्यूज D0 D1. Okay, -2 and 0. Very good. So all of you getting these values. Aditi wrote the answers. Avantika is doing very nicely. Pratibha is doing. Avantika, what are your answers? Are you there in the class? Write down your answers. Okay. Jaya, what are your answers? Write down. Nikhil, write down all the answers. Nikhil, sequence में लिखो फटाफट. I will see in the chat box. Sequence में सिर्फ आंसर लिखो. A0 A1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. Just write down the answers which you calculated. Shivangi, yes, write down the answer. I am waiting. And others, please calculate G0 values, all the next values. Yes, all calculated. The next values. Other values. अभी तक एक ही आई निखिल. Avantika, G0 is coming out to be 2. और किसी का आ रहा है आंसर? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। दीदी तुम्हारे क्या आंसर्स आ रहे हैं? All are getting answers. G2 is 2 and G3 is minus 2j. Very good. All the answers are right. And H निकल गया है. H0 is minus 2. Okay. H1 is also minus 2, I think. H1 is this. Got the answer. H2 is, H1 is minus 2. Okay. H3 is, P is minus 2, H2 is 2. Okay. So you all got these values. Okay, very good. So we all got these values. ये सभी students की आ गई है क्या? निखिल, प्रतिभा, साक्षी, शिवानी. What are your answers? What are your answers, Shivani? H of 3 is, you are calculating these values in your copy. Okay. So all got this value. So next stage is my third stage. Now I will find out the output values from x of 0 to x of 7. What is the equation of x of 0? X of 0 is equal to G0 plus H of 0 into W08. Okay. This is the value. So now start finding out x of 0. Find out the values. See, where we are writing G, where we are writing W's, you should know very well. ये यहाँ तुम्हारा इस पॉइंट पे this point, before writing W, you are getting the outputs of second stage. ठीक है? H of 0 पहले आएगा, W08 बाद में आएगा. So what is the value of x of 0, students? Who will tell the fast answer? Fastest in mathematics. I am waiting for the answer. 0. Very good, Avantika. Then Pratibha. First Avantika, second Pratibha. X of 0 is 0. Aditi third. Very good. 0. All are having same timings. Just it could be typing time. Very good. Now x of 1. Okay, next answer. Sakshi 0. Okay, x of 1 क्या आ रहा है? X of 1 is g of 1 plus w8 1 h of 1. Next, x of 1. So I think today we will finish with this numerical. That's very good. Next value. Okay, students, what is the value of x of 1? Why you are taking so much of time? Calculate and write the answer. X of 1 is 0. Other answers? Yes, student. It's 2j. No, I don't think these are the right answers you are telling me. I know the calculations have become little bit tough here. So x of 1 क्या है? सबसे पहले देखो g of 0. No, it's not that. This is not the answer. You are getting both real and imaginary terms over here. So क्या आ रहा है मेरा x of 0? G of 0. What is my g of 0? x of 0 तो सबका सही आया. Sorry, we are discussing x of 1. So x of 1 में I am having g1. g1 is my 2j. Okay. Then 2j plus w8 1. W8 1. What is my W8 1? W8 1 is my 1 minus g upon root 2. Okay. Into h of 1. And what is my h of 1? H of 1 is my minus 2. Very simple to calculate. Avantika का आंसर क्या आ रहा है? Yes, it's almost right. Yes, it's right answer. अवंतिका का आंसर सही है. Minus root 2 plus j, you can take out common, root 2 plus 2. This is the right answer. Getting students? Avantika has simplified correctly. Answer is right. Just you need to follow step by step calculation. You will get the right answer. Next, x of 2. Any doubt? Anyone is having any doubt? Next is minus 4j. X of 2. x ऑफ 2 में तुम्हारा आएगा g ऑफ 2. क्या है तुम्हारा? g ऑफ 2 इज 2. You have to find out with the values. This is not the right answer. x ऑफ 2 में और कौन सी वैल्यू आएगी? यहाँ W8 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा तुम्हारा h ऑफ 2 के साथ. No, this is also not correct answer. हाँ, 2 minus 2j. Yes, yes, yes. It's correct answer. X of 2. Right. Aditi, answer is correct. 2 minus 2j. Find out the next answers. Next answer. X3. Calculate all the values. Next is not 0. How it will be 0? X3. X3 तुम्हारा है g of 3 and g of 3 is your minus 2j. Clear? Then you are having this minus 2 x3 पे. Yes, minus 2 into w 38. Yes, yes, I think this is the right answer. All are in root 2 terms. 2j. Yes, this is right, Pratibha. Very good. Next answer. X of 4 will be equal to h of 0. What is h of 0? Minus 2. And the second value is coming from g of 0. And what is my g of 0 is 2. Minus 2 into W8 0. X of 4 क्या आ रहा है तुम्हारा? 4 आ रहा है. How? W8 0 is my 1. X g of 0 मेरा है 2. G of 0 is 2. And here I am getting, okay, minus 2, minus, minus, plus. So answer is 4, right? All are getting this 4. Then x of 5 is, x of 5, I am having G0, same thing, I am having 2. No, sorry, x of 5, I am having 2j. Then I am having minus 2, minus 1 and W8 1. So 2j, W8 1 भी आएगा बेटा साथ में x of 5 के. minus 2, minus 1 तो plus 2 हो जाएगा तुम्हारा. No, this how this will be the answer. And then you are having W8 1. और W8 1 क्या है हमारा? It is 1 minus j root 2. 2j plus No, this is not the answer. J तुम कॉमन निकालोगे तो 2 minus 1 by root 2. x of 5 क्या आ रहा है तुम्हारा इक्वेशन? x of 5 इक्वेशन इज योर g of 1. g of 1 क्या है मेरा? 2j. g of 1 is 2j plus I am having minus 2 minus 1 w8 1. Okay, clear? h of 1 w8 1 और माइनस साइन आएगा वापस. See, do it fast, the time is getting over. Just I am having 2 minutes to continue. अदिति इक्वेशन लिख ली फटाफट से बेटा. क्या आंसर आ रहा है फिर? 2j plus 2 into bracket 1 minus j upon root 2. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करोगे so you will get 1 by root 2 plus j in bracket 2 minus 1 by root 2 will be the answer for x5. Then x of 6. Is it over? x of 6 easily आ गया. x of 5 अभी भी नहीं आया. किसी का भी नहीं आया x of 5. That is not right answer x of 5 का. j में 2 टर्म्स आ रही है ना बेटा j की. x of 6 क्या है मेरा? It is 2. x of 6 is 2 plus minus 2 w8 2. That is w8 2 is minus j. 2 plus 2j बिल्कुल सही. x of 6. x of 7. x of 7 is my minus 2j. That is g of 3. Then minus of 2 w8 3. What is w8 3? Again a little bit complicated term you will get. So you will get minus 2j minus of 1 upon root 2 minus of j upon root 2. x of 7 आ गया. j कॉमन निकाल लो. Yes, what is the value of x of 7? Last value. Do it fast. And we will finish up the class. In next class, we will simplify next numerical. And I think you will become much more faster to simplify the next numerical. Okay. 1 upon आएगा ना बेटा इसमें? अच्छा, root 2. ठीक है.